Welcome back to Primetime News. 2 men are now in police custody following a major drug bust along the Prairie Main Road in St. Anne early this morning. According to Acting Commanding Officer for the parish, Deputy Superintendent Rowan Elliott, a Bahamian national is also involved. DSP Elliott says the operation unfolded at about 4:20 a.m.
An Isuzu motor truck was intercepted by the St. Anne police along the Prairie Main Road. The truck contained several parcels of compressed ganja, estimated to weigh over 3,000 pounds. 2 men were taken into custody in relation to the seizure. One a Jamaican and the other is a Bahamian. The Area 2 FNID was informed and is conducting investigations. Further updates on this matter will be provided.
DSP Elliott is warning persons involved in criminal activities.
The St. Anne police would like to warn criminals involved in these types of illicit activities to desist from conducting these activities in the parish. We will not relent in our efforts to bring criminals involved in these types of activities and other criminal activities to justice.